Okay, this is going to be the second section, which is going to go over any problem from 29 through 42. All right, so we'll start with the first one. This is like a check registry. They're asking what the balance is going to be on February 15th. So this is her start balance. Remember, withdraw, all of these we're going to take out, and deposit we're going to add back in. So I'm actually going to do it this way, so that way I can kind of make sure that the math is checking right. So I'm going to start with 347.58. Then I'm going to subtract 53.25. And you can actually just keep it going. Minus 112 point, not answer, 0.13, minus 35.79, minus 75.49, and then we're going to add the deposit 156.72. And you can hit enter, but you could already see it says 227.64 would be your end balance for that problem. Okay, so for this one, for the next one, she borrows $3,000. She'll pay it back in 2 years at an interest rate of 15% per year. What's the total amount she'll pay after 2 years? So they're looking for the total, so that's going to indicate that we're going to have to add at the end. So we're going to do the principal, which is the money, times the rate, which is 15%. Remember, you have to change it to a decimal. And then times 2 years, because that's the total amount. Let me see if I can get this thing back up here. So then if we plug all of that back in, that'll be 3,000 times 0.15 times 2. And so she's going to pay $900 in interest. And that means that the total amount, we would just add that to 3,000, which would be 3,900. We'll just leave this open, actually. I think I'm real slow. So, for number 31, the original price, he works at the game store, he gets a 20% discount. How much would he pay for the game? So you're going to do $39 times 0.2, which I can just do here. So 39 times 0.2 would be $7.80. So that is how much his discount is. So how much would he pay for the game? You would take $39 and subtract his discount, because he's saving some money. So it'd be $31.20. Okay. What about number 32? So following order appears as a function. What's the range? So we're just looking at the y values. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. We normally write these in order. Luckily they are in order, from least to greatest, and if any repeat, we do not write them. April sells flowers. She pays a local nursery $4 per flower and will mark up each price 75 cents. What's her selling price? So she's going to mark it up 75%. So we're going to do 4 times 0.75, which is 3. And then we're going to do $4, since it's a markup, we're going to add it. So her total amount was 7. All right, number 34. This is just like substituting, just like evaluating expressions. So we're going to do 5 squared divided by 5 plus 5 squared minus 17. That'd be 25 over 5 plus 25 minus 17. You want to make sure you get all the dividing and multiplying done before you start adding and subtracting. So that'd be 5 plus 25 minus 17, 30 minus 17, which is 13. Yep. Xbox game was $34.99. Now it's $29.99 %. So again, this is new and this is old. So it's new minus old over old times 100. So $29.99 minus $34.99 over $34.99 times 100. So if we subtract those two, it should be, a negative number, because our price is going to be going down. So it's -5. You need to do -5 divided by $34.99. And multiply that by 100, and you get negative 14. We'll just say negative 14.3. Oops. Okay. If 8 ounces of cologne costs $42.50, how much does 12 ounces? So we're comparing things here. So that means we're going to use a proportion. So 8 ounces of cologne costs 42. So we're going to have the money on the bottom. How much is 12 ounces? So the cologne's on the top. And we don't know how much the cost is. So we're going to cross multiply to solve. 8x equals 42.50 times 12, which is 510. And then we're going to divide by 8, which is 63.75. So that's how much it would cost. In the woods, 2 out of every 9 animals are birds if 30 animals are randomly selected. So 2 are birds out of 9 total. If 30 total are selected, how many would be birds? So that would be 60 equals 9x, which is 6.6 repeating. So you would say about 7. Oops, that's the wrong spot. Okay, or you could even say between 6 and 7 birds would be fine too. Alright, solving number 38, distribute first. So that'd be 12x minus 24 plus 8x plus 15 equals 51. And then you can combine these two together, which would be 20x. And then negative 24 and 15 is like 19 equals 51. Add 19 to both sides. 60, 70. I'm just checking really quick. And then, that's what seems off. I was like, something seems wrong. It's supposed to be a 9, not 19. Okay. So minus 9. And then add 9 to both sides. So that's going to be actually 60. Divide by 20. So x is equal to 3. Alright, 39. Just like an equation. So you're going to subtract 21 on both sides. And that is going to be negative 15 is greater than or equal to 1/2 x multiplied by 2 over 1. So that'd be negative 30. We're not multiplying by negative 2, so it's going to stay, the inequality is going to stay the same side. But you may want to rewrite it, which would change the sign from greater than or equal to less than or equal to negative 30. And then if you graph it on a number line, you could put closed circle, shaded to the left. Think back here. Alright, solve it first and then circle some solutions. So negative 3x is less than 21. Divide by negative 3. X is greater than negative 7. So that's our answer. But we're going to pick anything that's greater than negative 7. So that's going to be negative 6, negative 1, 0, 4, 11, 25. Alright, solving the inequality. So we're going to distribute 3m. We have a lot of inequalities on this. No, I'm doing it. I can tell. And this would be minus 18 on both sides. That'd be negative 45. Yep. And then divide by 3. So that would be negative 15 is greater than or equal to m, or m is less than or equal to negative 15. Alright, and for the last one on this, let me make sure that's right. Yep, okay. Whoops. We're just writing what the range is for this problem. So we're just looking at the y value. So like on this point here, the y value is 3. I'm just gonna, I can write the order pairs too. It's 1, 3. This order pair is 2, 1. This one is 4, 2. So you're just picking the y values from each one of these. 6, 6. 5, 0. 3, negative 1. So just the y's. And you can even go in order from height so that you go right in order when you're writing them. So it's going to be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 6 for that. Okay, thank you.